Going on, guys? Today I wanted to make this video about, is it better to buy a already monetized channel that's already earning and also in the YouTube partner program, or is it better to grow a channel organically? Right, so these are the two things that I've actually tested with, and hopefully I can give you more insights on this. Right, so when you actually buy a already monetized channel, here's the thing, is that channel is pretty much there's different ways you can actually send subscribers and watch hours on your channels. And the way I see sellers, channel sellers actually doing this is like they're sending a bunch of bots in the channel, and that's not the right way to actually monetize the channel, right? And when I actually bought these kind of channels, my channels were not actually growing, right? And it was actually hurting me, and then I had to stop the channel and pretty much do everything the right way, right? And here's the way to actually monetize the channel if you want to get your channels monetized really fast, right? And the way that I actually monetize my channel is through YouTube suggestions, right? And this is the fastest and easiest way you can actually get your channels monetized. And you might need only 2 or 3 videos, right, just to get your channels monetized. And after you got your channels monetized, you can start uploading videos, right? And pretty much here's the thing, but if you're already getting a channel that's already been monetized, here's what you cannot do. You cannot delete or unlist or even private those videos, because those videos has already got your channels monetized, right? And if you delete, unlist or even private those videos, your channel will get demonetized. And also here's another thing, when you're actually getting a already monetized channel, buying from someone else, right, you need to be uploading your content really fast so it doesn't get demonetized, right? And this is something that I struggled with in the beginning, right? When I actually buy a channel, I just left it for like months, and when I came back to the channel when my content was ready, I found out that the channel were demonetized. And here's why YouTube is actually demonetizing those style of channels. Is pretty much when you're actually changing the owners of the channel, YouTube are actually reviewing your channel, right? What's actually happening in your channel, right? And they want to check everything is right. So if you go ahead and buy a already monetized channel, you need to have content ready for you to start publishing, right? And when I actually sell some of my channels, and when clients actually don't upload videos for months, that channel gets demonetized, right? So here's something that you need to keep in mind. But if you starting a channel organically and growing it organically, and you're not so much in a hurry to actually get your channels monetized, you can actually take your time and you can unleash private videos. It won't affect your channel. But if you're already getting a already monetized channel, make sure you never ever delete a video, never private the video, never unleash the video, because you're going to lose subscribers and also watch hours on those channels that's actually came through those videos that you actually private or unlisted, right? So this is something that you have to keep in mind. And also, if you thinking like, what's the comparison, like should I buy a already monetized channel or should I grow a channel organically? And I've actually done this both ways. I've grown a channel organically, and I've also bought a channel and started growing it. But the time frame of getting traction on the channels is pretty much the same, right? When you're actually organically growing a channel and you buying a channel, it pretty much takes the same amount of time to grow those channels, right? So it doesn't really affect in terms of your growth on YouTube, right? So hopefully this video gave you some more insights on if you should buy a already monetized channel or you should grow a channel organically. And you can actually do either ways and it doesn't affect. But keep in mind that the channel that you're actually buying that's already been monetized, make sure it matches with your niche, so that way when you actually changing the niche, it might affect your growth, right? So make sure it's done the right way, and there's not many bots sent on your channel to just get the channels monetized with the bots, right? And the way I actually monetize my channel, and I have teams to actually monetize my channel organically, is I use YouTube suggestion features to actually monetize the channel, and it's not bots, it's the right way to actually get your channels monetized really fast. So if you're thinking about getting a already monetized channels, let me know. I'll leave a link in the description. You can actually come and connect with me on Facebook so we can talk a bit more. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Bye for now.